Hey guys, this is my unboxing of the Adidas Adizeros with the Micoach editions. Yeah. I got these from soccer.com. Yep. Soccer.com, I don't know if you can see that. But yeah. And there. Wow. So these are the first ones. I think they're called the high energy and electricity colorway. I got the kangaroo or the leather version. It's not kangaroo leather. It's just regular leather, I think. So yeah, it's a newly designed upper, and this is where the Micoach is, and wherever the Micoach goes, or you put it inside. It's in the right foot of the shoe. And yeah, it weighs 165 grams, same as the previous versions. Yeah. And here's the Micoach. I got the computer version because I don't use the iPhone. And yeah, that's the Micoach. And yeah, there you go. 50s.